set. Go.
You gotta eat.
Our defending champion AJ has much already.
AJ's already got all his hot dogs done.
Stop!
Just give me one dog.
Alright, get back there. Hey. He's already got his hot dogs done. He's down to the bread.
Not the wall!
Hot dog left, but he's down to the bread.
Do his swallowing technique.
Woo!
Eat the meat.
I'm almost done.
I don't care where he at. No homo. Eat the meat.
Turn up! Turn up!
So weak.
Woo! Turn up! Bad hot dog!
How you doing, AJ?
What number's y'all, Mark?
He's got all the meat done. He's down to the bread now.
Down to the bread, ladies and gentlemen.
He's got 3 breads left.
3 breads left.
This guy right here beside him is down to, he's got 2.5 breads. 2.5 breads.
Moving there.
And O hadn't really done anything yet.
Yeah, that boy's smart. Oh, God, he's so... Give me a hot dog before. Oh, look at one to help you. Oh, he's about to throw up over there. Get it, bro.
Make sure you throw up. What's AJ doing? Hey, I can't see it over there, y'all. Is he good? We have a winner! AJ Walker, back-to-back champion of the chili dog eating contest. 1 minute, 52 seconds. AJ. All right, AJ.
Oh my God.
Oh, my jaws hurt. I got all 5.
AJ, here's your gift card.
Replay. All right, bud. That was disgusting.
All right, there's your gift card. Now, wait a second. I got to give you your
What you got to say?
mystery
It
bag.
ain't nothing but a thing. Huh? Look at that bill.
He dipped in the wall.
Hey, I'm B. I got him over.
Hot dog.
Really close. I was scared for a second.
Who else want hot dog?
I noticed that bread over there. I was like, that ain't gonna count unless you eat that. No, that was brown bread. You sweet. What hot dog is this? That's hers. He's sweet. All right, man. Woo, I feel like I'm That was gross. Oh, man. All right, AJ gets a Sonic gift card. Yep. $10. Woo! Oh, that ain't that much. You can spend that one. And for later, AJ, we got you a little gift basket. Oh, nice. We got a gift basket. We got some fruit. We got some gas relief.
That's good.
Pepto Bismol.
These.
Some Toms.
Dude, I eat those all the time.
Fiber. And most importantly, toilet paper. Yes! That is your right.
He said that they ran out.